What's up, YouTube? Mr. Hatton, I'm checking in with you. I'm at Callahan Auto Parts in Mesquite, Texas. Picking up a fender in the hood. I found a Scion XB. It's about to get crushed. Came in just in time. Trying to get as much parts as I can off of it. I already got the vent. I'm going to go pull the fender in the hood. They're, I say, B quality. They have some scratches because the people that came here to take parts off, they just threw this stuff they didn't want on the hood, so the hood is scratched up and the fender is scratched up, but it's in good shape for my liking because eventually I'm going to do a Rust-Oleum paint job on the XB. All right, so stay tuned. Let me go pull the parts. All right, guys, we're here, Callahan. Found the hood, numbers matching hood. Color code matching hood, and the fender's kind of scratched up. The hood is scratched up as well. I'm gonna have to talk them down on the price. And so let me go get my tools. Thinking about getting this bumper is in better shape than the other one is. Let's see if I can find another insert for the fog lamps. So stay tuned. All right, we're back. This is the old hood and fender. I installed a newer hood and fender from Callahan Salvage Yard in Mesquite, Texas. Shout out to them. I'm going to order the headlights on Amazon. I decided what I'm going to do is order an aftermarket bumper and keep this right here. It's a set for 60 bucks on Amazon. That's how much they go for. So I'm going to sand those down and paint them black. And then later on, I'll probably go with a BB grill. All right. I'm going to go to the salvage yard tomorrow and pick up another crash bar. And something I didn't tell you guys on the first video of this, the wiper's been deleted. So somebody spent some money on this. They got aftermarket exhaust, sway bar, and headers. So, and then they had some switches for the neon lights. It has 177,776 miles. And I also figured out how to take that the key off. I remembered I did the first Scion I did in January had the same problem. And what I had to do was go to Harbor Freight and get a 12-point socket, put over it, and then beat it in there, and they'll come right off. It's dirty inside. I'll take care of that later. I'm going to order a steering wheel cover, and that's it. And also, I'm going with the bottom on the bumper here. Going with aftermarket. When I get the replacement bumper, I'll go with the aftermarket lip. So stay tuned. Has scratches in it. I don't know if it shows up on video, but it's better than it was, and probably can be buffed out. Fires right up. maintenance lights on because of it needs the oil change. You can see it was 175, 120, and I got 177.76. So stay tuned. God bless. Take care. Stay woke. Had 9 sons. We get the job done. All right, guys. I couldn't find the key for the wheel lock, so what I had to do was take a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter deep socket 12 point and beat it onto the actual key. Make sure you have extra ones in the toolbox just in case you can't take it off afterwards. So what I did was I already beat it in there and took it off just like that. And take your screwdriver, put it in there, put it on a vise, and try to knock this out. More than likely, you might not, like this one, I know for sure I can't get it out. I'm not concerned about it. I got extra 12 points, but this is a good tip. Also, keep this in your truck or your car. A couple of these in your car, just in case you can't find the key and you're on the side of the road and stranded. Thankfully, I'm just here rebuilding this car, and I like to check things like that out before I put it on the road. I did find the owner. The owner said that the key was in there and the clicker, but this is Copart. Some people steal the keys out the car at Copart and other things. So they took the keys. I mean, they took the clicker and they took the key for the wheel lock. I don't know if they were thinking it was going to win or what, but where's a will is a way. Just remember, 12-point socket. Beat it in there. This is a 19 millimeter or 3/4. Beat it in there, and you can spin it out. No problem. Doesn't hurt the thread or anything like that. That's my tip for today. Once you get it on there, what you need to do is spin it off just a little bit. Take your hammer. I take the back end of it and do this. And you can see it's the nut. I mean the deep socket is coming off. And you basically, I saved this one. I don't have to chunk this one. The other one didn't want to come off. See, just like that. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. All right, guys. I'm gonna take a wire wheel here and clean off the rims. Already took a SOS pad and some hot LA Awesome and some LA Awesome dish soap and degreased it. I'm about to go over it again. I'm gonna go over it with the wire wheel, then go and then rinse it off. All right, guys, this is the finished product on the front wheels. I still got to do the back wheels, but this is the products I used. I used Tire Shine, Blue Magic Tire Shine, out of O'Reilly. These galvanized fence pole caps. You can get them at Home Depot if you know the right size. They might be in the pipe section, but what I did was I just went to Napa and they had, this is the part number 730-2411. They wasn't that expensive, and more than likely you don't have to order them because they don't have them in stock. I ordered 8 of them because I'm probably going to get another Scion XB. Next week is an auction, and I'm the highest bidder so far. And then I went and I used this. what I did was, since they were so rusty, I went and bought rust reformer. I put a coat of rust reformer on there, and then I put 2 coats of Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel. Went to Amazon, and for like $15, I got a whole box full of black lug nuts by Mastiff. Okay, and I put all the links to all these products in the description. All right, guys, almost complete. Just want to show y'all. I painted the grill, and the middle grill came in, waiting on the 2 pieces at the bottom. Got the eBay headlights, eBay fog lights. I painted the rims. The center cap is galvanized cap. You can put on your fence post, kind of like that one up there. I still got to clean the inside and take this crab off.